Okay. This is Dave Booth. I just joined the call, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but supposedly this is a live stream. All right, the court stuff? Okay. Well, we went to court yesterday to the hearing, and I brought up to the judge the things that were in the affidavit, and she did not respond at all to any of it, which means she didn't disagree with it. So she said that due to the fact that we did not have the right documentation, we did not have, according to the court, a viable probate issue. In other words, we did not have the right documentation to prove we had an estate. And so then she asked me what I wanted to do. And so I said, well, I'm not exactly sure what to do because of the fact that we had been asking the Secretary of Treasury and the guy that's head of the currency for the bonds. So today I wrote a letter to the court and told them I rescinded my decision from yesterday and was going to go, that bonds were actually insurance policies and that we needed to go ahead as insurance policies establish the estate. So then we can move forward with, according to Rule 56, the default judgments, and can't remember what those same things are called. But anyway, I spelled it out right in the letter to her, the declaratory judgments. And I said, since everybody has been notified of this and nobody rebutted it, this now stands as judgment for truth in commerce, judgment in commerce. So under Rule 56, I'm entitled to the declaratory judgment. So I haven't received a response to that. And then later today, I wrote to the Secretary of Treasury and informed the new guy that Lou had never lawfully responded to me relating to the bonds, nor the affidavit. And so I haven't gotten the letter written to the Comptroller of the Currency yet, but that will go out hopefully tonight yet before it gets too much later. So I did inform the judge that we've been under martial law, so the military are in charge of the government. Well, you should have seen the look on her face when I mentioned that fact. And there were 3 sheriff's deputies and the bailiff were in the court, and the look on their face was like, what? It was comical. So when I went to sit down at the table, the sheriff's deputy come out and actually pulled the chair out for me so I could sit down. And my brother noticed that, and he just looked at me like, whoa, these people in Hancock County are showing respect for me, and they are listening to every word I am saying relating to government and the con jobs that are going on. And these deputies are very, very much interested in what I have to say. So, and I'm sure it's all getting back to the sheriff. And so, but I had an absolute wonderful time in court yesterday. Was greeted by all of the sheriff's personnel with utmost dignity. And my brother was with me, and he'll vouch for it. So But even though we thought we had a setback in court yesterday, because the judge said, well, go ahead and file this with the military, I still decided to go back to her court and give her jurisdiction over the matter, since we now know that the insurance policies are the actual estate. So it wasn't a loss. I'm not going to call it a draw because I haven't received anything from the court yet. So anyway, I think we're on the right track. I think we've hit a major nerve on these bonds and QSIP and commodities. The judge knows I've done my research. It's phenomenal, the change of attitude in Hancock County in the last 3 months. So anyway, that's about the update on the court proceedings. So everything that is going on right now will be to our benefit over time. We just have to make sure we get everything handled right. Once we get this done the right way for one, we can then begin to pass it down for all to apply the same thing. So we'll get our billions of dollars we're worth, and they'll get screwed. So anybody have any questions? Okay. Will that conclude it then for the night? All right. I appreciate it. Oh, Toasted, did